So your song is out on Spotify and Apple and YouTube, but the streams just aren't coming in. Sound familiar? Don't worry, it's not because your music isn't good. It's usually because of a few key mistakes that indie artists make when releasing. In this video, we're going to break down why your music isn't getting streams and, more importantly, what you can do to fix it. Let's get started. If you're only relying on family and friends, that's your first big mistake. They might stream your song once, but they're not your target audience. Make sure you keep promoting on social media platforms by putting your music in front of new listeners. Use TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts to reach people who have never heard of you before. Consistency is key. One viral clip can change everything. Playlists are also one of the main ways fans discover music today. If you're not pitching your track, you're missing out on huge opportunities. Use Spotify for Artists to submit your song at least 2 to 3 weeks before release, and you can also reach out to indie playlist curators, and don't underestimate the smaller niche playlists. They often bring in higher quality listeners than the giant ones. Counter programming is another thing you can take into consideration. Friday is the traditional release day, but it's also the most crowded. You're competing with thousands of new songs, and that can vary your release. So consider releasing midweek, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday drops. Give your song more breathing room, plus you'll still hit Spotify's release radar update on Thursday. Make sure you're using pre-saves. If you upload your track with zero build-up, nobody's waiting for it. Start promoting 2 to 3 weeks ahead of your release by sharing teasers, cover art, behind-the-scenes clips, and setting up your pre-save links. The more people who pre-save, the stronger your launch day numbers will be, and that will boost your chances with Spotify's algorithm. Make sure your social media is consistent. Posting once on release day is not enough. Fans need multiple touch points before they take action, so create a content plan. Tease before the release, drop content on release day, follow up with lyric videos or acoustic versions or fan shoutouts in the week after, but ultimately stretch your release into multiple promo moments instead of just one. Make sure you're also engaging with your fans. Streaming is about way more than the music, it's about connection. If you're ignoring comments or DMs and you're not working to build that community, your growth will stall. Reply to every comment, repost fan content, and make your listeners feel seen. The stronger your fan relationships, the more streams you'll earn long term. Make sure you're leveraging your data. If you don't know what's working, you can't improve. Make sure you're diving into Spotify for Artists and YouTube analytics and TikTok insights and looking at where your fans are coming from, which songs they save, and what content drives the most streams. Use that info to double down on what's working. If your music isn't getting streams, don't panic. It's not about luck, it's usually about strategy. Make sure you're building hype before your release, pitching to playlists, releasing smart, and staying consistent on socials to connect with your fans. Do that and your streams will definitely start to grow. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more indie artist tips. As always,